Hi, welcome to CRAFTYBASE Video Review. Have you ever felt like balancing craft production, materials, pricing, orders, and stock is a never-ending juggling act, and wondered if there is a software built just for makers that ties it all together without forcing you into a generic enterprise resource planning? In this review, we'll dive into what CRAFTYBASE delivers, its inventory, manufacturing and cost features, pricing tiers, and what you get, and how remakers feel about its real-world usefulness. So stick around to the end to see whether it might be the business backbone your creative brand deserves. To start with, let's cover the base of CRAFTYBASE. CRAFTYBASE is a cloud-based inventory, manufacturing and bookkeeping tool designed especially for small batch makers and artisans. It helps you track raw materials, product stock, bill of materials, production runs, expenses, and sales all in real time. Next up, let's take a closer look at what CRAFTYBASE offers. 1. It lets you see real-time inventory levels for both raw materials and finished goods, so you always know what's in stock and avoid any surprises. That is, you benefit because CRAFTYBASE updates your material and product stock continuously. Whenever you make, purchase, or sell, CRAFTYBASE adjusts count and value. This helps you avoid overselling, running out of materials mid-batch, or keeping too much idle stock. 2. It allows you manage multi-stage production workflows and bills of materials, so you can build complex productions reliably without manual tracking. That is, whether your product is made in one step or many sub-assemblies, you can model that in CRAFTYBASE. You define material subparts, labor, tax, and more. The system tracks the flow. That means you don't lose track when production is complex. Your recipe are built into the software. 3. It enables you automatically calculate your cost of goods sold and pricing guidance, so you price your creation correctly and protect your margins. That is, as orders comes in and you consume materials, CRAFTYBASE automatically calculates and suggests sales price based on margin goals. That saves you from juggling spreadsheets and undercharging your work. 4. It gives you batch or lot tracking and food traceability, so you can pinpoint exactly which materials were used in which products, useful for quality control or recalls, meaning you can tag batches of raw materials, track exactly which batch ended up in which final products, and generate reports. This is valuable if you have perishable inputs and need to recall or audit product batches. Here are what some users have said about it. This is Sarah. Sarah says the automatic deduction of material during manufacture is a huge time saver and a guarantee of accurate inventory that I deeply appreciate. This is Lena. Lena says my favorite features is the software's ability to calculate the cost of our products in real time, taking into account the increase in the cost of raw materials. This is Ballas. Ballas says try several systems and CRAFTYBASE is the only one that covers all our needs, including the analysis of the sales and planning for the future. This is Jennifer. Jennifer says being able to manage our inventory and accurately assess our cost of goods has allowed us to scale our business with confidence. After hearing from other users, it's time to take a closer look at CRAFTYBASE pricing. CRAFTYBASE provides several pricing tiers designed to meet a variety of needs. However, the barest minimum plan to get started with is $20 per month. I repeat, the barest minimum plan to get started with is $20 per month. If you want to see other pricing plan as to its features and to what it entails, and also to see the plan that is most suitable for your own usage, there is a link in this video description that you can actually click on to see the full pricing packages and the offers and discount that comes with it. To see the most suitable plan for your own usage, there is a link in this video description that you can actually click on to see the full pricing packages and the offers and discount that comes with it. Again, the barest minimum plan to get started with is $20 per month. Now, to my personal thoughts, having experienced CraftyBase coupled with the experiences of other users across other reputable platforms across the internet, I would say if you're a maker, artisan, or small manufacturer looking to bring order to inventory, production, and costing, CraftyBase provides a compelling, purpose-built solution. It replaces error-prone spreadsheets with structured workflows, automates material deduction, and helps you price products more confidently. It delivers great results and serves the intended purpose well, and of course, it can be better. Having said this, if you think CraftyBase is something you want to try out or check out, you can click on the special link in this video description to get started at a very unusual discounted price you won't find elsewhere. If you think CraftyBase is something you want to try out or check out, you can click on the special link in this video description to get started at a very unusual discounted price you won't find elsewhere. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with all our latest content.